Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm here with my GMC Sonoma. I haven't sold it yet, but I have the correct tailgate wires. As you may have saw in my detailing video of this, I had the wrong wires. They didn't have the pin with the E-clip, which that's what this is. You can't really see the E-clip, but that's the pin. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open the tailgate, and we're gonna take this entire section off. This whole thing right here comes off. It has two I believe T40 screws, like T40 Torx, and then this gets ground, the back side of this gets ground off, and this should be able to come out, and then I can put in the new ones and then just put in the little E-clip, and everything should go back together correctly. So I'm gonna go over and pull out the grinding wheel, or pull out the T40 bit, pull these off, and pull out the grinding wheel and get them all ground down. And I'll show you what it looks like after everything's pulled apart. Okay guys, a little bit of an update. To get this this latch out, you actually have this. This is actually the locking mechanism right here. And when you pull on the handle on the actual gate, this pulls in by way of these wires. There's one on the right and one on the left. To get to them, to disconnect them, you have to take off the bezel around the handle, which is just this little piece. It sits in there like that. You push down on the top and pull it out, and there's two little tabs. And then the bottom is also two little tabs, so it kind of pushes out and then comes up and then off. I use my snap-on pry bar to undo that clip. So if you look in there, it's kind of like that. That one I'll have to push up and off of the beam, and that one, oops, and this one down here I had to push down, and then it just comes straight out, just that L end, and then you pull that all the way out through the door over here, and unlock it from there. So I'm gonna pull out the other side, and then we'll get to grinding these little tabs off. All right guys, I got both latches out. I have one here and one here. I believe this one is the right side, and that is the left side. Left side has a little bit of rust on it, but it's nothing too serious. This one looks totally fine. As you can see, that's the back of that rivet that holds on the cables. I got my bench grinder out here, which is not on a bench, but it has a wire wheel and a regular bench grinder on it, along with a little light. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna probably just turn it on, put it right in here, just like that, grind it straight off, and then I'll show you how to put on the new one. So I'm gonna do a little grinding real quick. Always wear eye protection. It's got a little shield also. Yeah, so it's starting to take off material. I'm gonna keep working on it, and I'll come back when I'm gonna put in the new cables. All right, guys, I came back from grinding. These rubber little grommet things, one of them was basically just goo. It got all over my hands, but I had to grind them basically all the way down because the rivet is actually a lot smaller than what it showed. So the next thing, and I had to drill and then hammer it out. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take these, and I'm gonna put them on, and then put them on the truck. And when I have them on, I'll tell you how I did it. All right, guys, I'm back at the back of the truck bed again. Got these two empty holes. So to get these in, I'm gonna try to fish them with my hands. But this is the rubber that I was talking about, where it's just kind of jelly with like a crust on it. It's pretty bad. I had to go in and scrub my hands, and there's still a little bit of stuff on them. So the way these go in is just like the little pin goes through, and it has that little tiny E-clip that goes in that little ring that's carved into the pin, and then it locks in. So that's about it for this video. I'm gonna you just put it all back together, the kind of reverse way of taking them off. I'm gonna put them all back together, and that'll probably be it. Stay tuned. We might have some more videos on like maybe a new car on the channel, or maybe a new project coming up pretty soon in the future. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.